In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant not responding on launch. Now, first thing you want to try is simply right click on Valorant, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Now check if it works after you've done that. If it still doesn't, you can just deactivate them again since we don't need them. Now after you've done that, come down here and search for run. Type in msconfig, press OK. Go to services, click hide all Microsoft services. Then you can disable all of them. Find VGC and tick it so everything is disabled but not VGC. Press OK, press apply and then OK. And once you pressed apply OK and everything is like this, then you can reboot your PC and see if it works now. Now keep in mind when you disable, let's say Epic Games, Nvidia and stuff, these are not gonna be worked unless you go in here and activate them again. But first try and do this and see if it works. If it still doesn't, just reactivate all of them again. If it does work, you can come in here and just activate the ones that you need, like Nvidia and stuff. And then if it doesn't work after you've done that, you know which ones it causes the issue. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can do is come down here and search for the firewall. In here, allow an app, change settings, allow another app, and then browse, and we want to find our right client. Now usually it's on your C drive, but I think I have mine installed on the D drive. So come down here, write games, Valorant live, Valorant.exe, open, add. I already have mine in here. So just find it in here. This is my Valorant. It's just called this for some reason. And then make sure it's activated, both private and public. Now, I really hope any of these fixed your issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.